Hello everyone and welcome to OPCloud. In today's session, we're going to talk about the import object attributes and instances from a CSV file. This feature allows you to efficiently add attribute instances and instance attribute values automatically via a CSV file. This is particularly useful for complex model containing objects and numerous attributes instances. With manual creation, it may take a lot of time, and you want to reuse it again and again. So how do you use this feature? First, you need to select an object and make sure it is not an instance by itself, meaning it is not connected by the instance structure link. For example, we select Object 1. Once we select that, we go to the entity's extension group. As you can see here, click on it and select Add Attribute Instances and Values from the CSV. In this screen, you see that there are several options menus. First, you have the option to select your file. Go here, select your file, open it, you will see the file is uploaded, the size of the file and the name of the file. After successful upload, you will be able to see the instances. Now what are those other options here? Meaning that first, we can ignore the CSV files by default and instance with the same name already existing in the model. Its attributes values will be updated and the attribute itself, meaning the object itself will not be created again. This means that if you want overriding existing data to be overriding existing data will be ignored, just mark it up. They create non-computational instance attributes, meaning that all attributes created are computational with only one state. If this checkbox is checked, meaning that object will not be created as computational, but as non-computational attributes, but with only one state. You may enable auto format, meaning by default auto format in OPCloud is enabled for new object, meaning it is changing to capital letters if needed, each word and so on. If you want to maintain your own text, unselect it. So once we decided what we want to do, we click import and then what you can see is our file is loaded from this file with attribute 1, 2, and 3 and the objects have instances with several instances, each instance has its own attribute 1, 2, 3, and its own values. If you want to make sure that we want to change it, for example, if you want to see the actual file that we have here, so you see there is value 1, 2, and 3, you may change it whatever you need it and in that way you are able to update it more rows to your file and to your model. And that's pretty much it. It's a very easy and efficient way to update your model with instances and attributes and update them whether it's for simulation or just to repeat yourself if there is the same structure again and again and other values. Thank you again and see you next time.